Hey you all, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you guys are new, and today I'm going to do a how I pamper my skin. I kind of like to give myself facials from time to time. If you guys want to see how I pamper my face, keep watching. So the first thing that I do when I'm about to give myself a at-home facial is I'll use this. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. This is a facial steamer, and it's by RedPro. This stuff, I feel like the main thing with the facial is you need a steamer. Like something that's gonna like open up your pores so that your cleanser that you're using will like penetrate more. Even your mask that you're using will like penetrate more deeper into the pores and like clean them. And you know, I don't know, you just feel really good when it's like a steam hitting your face. So this is what I use. Lord Jesus. I use a face steamer, and it's actually a hair steamer too, so it comes with two pieces. This attachment for your face, and then you have another attachment for your whole head, so you can steam your whole face, or you can steam your hair. Obviously not at the same time, but so we're just gonna turn this on. It actually has two on switches, one for the ozone and one for the actual steam. I usually just put both of them up because I just like a lot of steam. If you just put steam on, it's not gonna be much of how can I explain it? The pressure in the steam isn't gonna be as much as you want it to be, if that makes sense. So, and this is what you're gonna kind of be seeing in this is my right side, but when you guys are looking at it, it's gonna be your left side. So I'm just gonna wait for that steamer to warm up. And for facial soaps that we're gonna be using, do a small mukbang for y'all. Since this is like super popular, I don't know why this is going around like this, but so, if you guys hear that rumbling noise, that's the steamer warming up. The soap that I use is the Cetaphil. My lights are kind of bright. Can you guys hopefully see that? Let me turn my ring light down. This might help. I use the Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. They're gonna focus back on me. I am not over there. I'm right here. So we're using the Gentle Foaming, cleanser. Now this stuff is really good. I really like it. I think it's done wonders for my skin. I don't really have problematic skin. Sometimes I'll get like a little bump here or there, but my skin isn't acne prone like others could be, or some people don't get even like small little zits or whatever alone. But I mean, I don't know, I feel like everybody gets like a little bump here or there. And Cetaphil I used to use, but it's kind of like I feel like that was overpowering how I'm talking, so I'll turn that on in a minute. I used Cetaphil before, but the only thing I don't like about Cetaphil is it doesn't lather up. Like, I want a soap to like lather up, and like, I don't know, it's like probably a psychological thing. Like, if I have soap and it's lathering up, I know that it's cleaning my face. If I have a soap that is, you know, obviously more gentle on the skin and doesn't really lather like other soaps do, then I don't think my skin is very clean. So I end up just trying this one out because it was a foaming cleanser. So, you know, as soon as you pump it out on your hand, it's already like foamy, and you know, you work it into your skin, so it's already a lather. So that's why I recommend using this foaming cleanser instead of just the regular Cetaphil cleanser that doesn't have a lather at all to it. It's like probably just washing lotion on your face. So I'm just gonna take some of that. Hopefully my armpits aren't super hairy because I haven't shaved them in a couple days. See that consistency? It's like a foamy. My face is dry right now. I'm just gonna work that into my face. I'm gonna like steam my face for like 5 minutes. So now I have this semi-warm washcloth. I'm just gonna wipe that excess off the face. So now that I've washed my face, go in with this extractor tool. Now I know people say, oh, only let professional use do that, but what are they doing that I can't do? All they're doing is going on the side of your nose and extracting your whiteheads, blackheads. I mean, come on. I honestly feel if it's professional use only, why would they be selling this in the store? Like, for us regular people who aren't professional, just grab it and use it on our face. You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't make sense. But yeah, so after you steam your face with the steamer, I use this extractor and I kind of just go down the bridges of my nose to kind of, like I said, extract the pores, because who wants a blackhead, whitehead nose? That's disgusting. The nose extraction is done. I'm gonna go in with the, I feel like when I don't get them to where I can get them all, I'll go in with deep cleansing charcoal pore strips. So these are pore strips. They're just like the fucking off-brand, because why would you pay what, $4 more for the same thing? I usually just get the off-brand. I mean, they work just as good. So pore strip. Going to peel this off. I'm not really sure which way you're supposed to do it. This is gonna be tricky because I have my nose ring. It's gonna look real crazy. Should have got it more here, but you just want to make sure it's like secure the nose strip. This shit is really about to fucking hurt. Like, ooh. I have never tried that like face mask that everybody was using, like with the charcoal peel off mask. I never used that, but I feel like I'm kind of experiencing what it feels like, and this is just on the nose part. Hopefully I don't rip my nose ring out. Ooh. I was like stuck. Ooh, the tip of your nose is like what hurts the worst. It wasn't that bad. So next that I'm using is the thayers witch hazel aloe vera formula in lavender. Bet you can't see it. There we go. This is what it looks like. And I got this at Target. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, but I was just in Target one day and I came across this. They have like different scents, so I like lavender scent, so I got this one. And it comes with a pump, you know what I'm saying? So you don't have to like put it on a cotton ball and rub it into your face, so I really like that. I'm gonna spray this on my face. I like a generous amount. Like, I want to be drenching in it. Then I'll take some of my cotton balls that I got right here. Probably take like 2. And and I'll just like work that toner into my skin. Elf Illuminating Eye Cream. I got this at, where'd I get this at? I believe I got this at Target as well. This is just the eye cream because it's just really important to hydrate your eyes, especially, you know, if you wear foundation. It won't crease your concealer if your under eye is hydrated, if you know what I mean. I'm just gonna work that under my eye area. Like tap motion too, we can do that, that'll work. You're technically supposed to use oh shit, excuse me. I think you're supposed to use your ring finger because it's like more gentle on the skin, but I mean, hey, whatever. I use my middle finger because it's more convenient for me. My skin is actually oily. Well, I'm really oily in my T-zone and I don't really like putting on lotion, but you should put on lotion. Just moisturizer on your face. I don't really know the reason why, but I remember, I don't know, I was watching some video like of some dermatologist or something, and they were like saying something about how even though your skin is oily, you still should put moisturizer on your skin, like, which I'm like, okay, I guess, like, whatever. Again, my face is oily, well, T-zone area and like forehead. I feel like my forehead gets kind of oily. So I'm gonna use the Strikingly Unique moisturizer, and this is the Equate brand, and it's this is for dry or combination. I'm combination, but I'm more oily. So maybe I shouldn't be using this, but whatever, we're gonna use this moisturizer. Like, one pump is enough. Work that into my skin. Well, this was the one that was oil free, but apparently not. And I'm about to be like a grease ball by the end of the night, but it's okay. That is it. That is how I like kind of pamper my skin. How I give myself at-home facials. Everybody says, I know everybody says this, you need to drink water. I went on a trip recently and that's all I drank was water. I don't know, because it was like the desert. I was in Vegas or whatever, but it was like really dry out there and I just wanted water. I didn't want any pop or anything. I just really like craved some water. Water is really good. I don't personally like ice cold water. I like room temp, so it's better for me to drink. So I just recommend people, clear skin comes with drinking water. I mean, you can drink pop, because I drink pop. I like Sprite, so I'll drink that, and then I'll probably like chase it with some water, you know, just to kind of flush all the sugar and whatnot out. But ladies, please drink some water. Well, your water. And I'm not talking about like maybe 1 glass a day. I feel like you drink more water than you do juice, but I feel like you still can drink water or pop, just like flush it down with water, like I said. Oh, and another thing, I feel like when I'm having like problematic skin, like when my skin is just doing its own thing, I tried this. This is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Clay Mask. There it is. It's by The Body Shop. This stuff I really like. This stuff, and it's like a tea tree scent too, so it's like put this on my problematic areas. I won't put it on my entire face. Like I'll probably put it on my forehead area and then, you know, kind of like maybe down by my mouth area, but I won't put it all over my face. This does have like a tingling sensation, which I like because I know it's like deep penetrating, cleaning your skin. So this is really good. This is the L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub. It's a lip and face scrub, so you can use it on either or. This is what it looks like. Like, say if I'm not really doing makeup, and then this is what the consistency is like, kind of looking like. So that's cool. I'll use this mask if I'm not putting on any foundation, but I just want, you know, that glowy kind of skin going on, you know. this actually is really good. I really love this stuff. It gives your face like a nice, beautiful glow or whatever. So I recommend this. And this is my completed facial routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.